what we have here is the greeter, which is a personal display of information from the phone. It's not showing its most friendly messages, but it's getting there. There's no navigation buttons, so you navigate by swiping from the edges, so we can bring in the icon launcher, or we can dismiss the greeter to get to applications. Let's go to the home screen. And this is the default screen from the phone, and we see running applications, we see installed applications, and if I had Intellect Luck, which I don't, Wi-Fi is already, there would be a set of icons which are from the store. So the store is included in the same display. Continuing the navigation, so I showed you the edge here, we've got a top edge for indicators, which includes settings and switches, so you can change things straight away from this menu, which of course people find this tests really well with our users. If we go to an application that's running, see the menu appear at the bottom. If I give it a moment, it will slide away. And now how do I bring it back? That's the navigation from this edge. And then I showed you this edge to dismiss the greeter. You can also use it to bring up a carousel of the applications that are currently running. So we've got a set of applications running. Let's go to the settings screen. There we go. So this one is allowing you to choose your background. The second feature of the UI to focus on is the arrangement of icons on the screen here. This one's the applications, we call these scopes. Also in the default screens are content-based icon sets. So you've got music, there would be online music here if the internet was working. So you can imagine you search for a particular track and you get your locally cached copy, you also get the streaming version, the radio station themed around that track, and so on. Video, the idea carries forward, it's the same kind of idea. You can also do scopes that are themed around particular areas rather than types of things. So this one is a tourist guide, and it's actually showing several different data feeds which are convenient for where you are at the moment, because it's location sensitive. And this is an example of the kind of way an OEM can customize the phone. Or a carrier, they can add one of these to the phone very easily. This is a way of getting onto our platform that doesn't need you to write an application. So you might do a promotion around an event. So we've got the World Cup here, showing you match reports and player profiles and so forth. And then finally, as an example of something that people like a lot, when they're worrying about how to compare Ubuntu to Android, on Android you have to fork the code in order to achieve the kind of differentiation you need as an OEM. On Ubuntu, knowing that that's a problem that needs solving, we've designed in hooks in the UI so that they can have the customization they need. And here, right in the home screen, we've got a way of managing your mobile data. And of course, the opportunity for the OEM to upsell and things like that.